In this session we're going to talk about complement laws. Okay, so these are some of the complement laws that you're supposed to understand. So we're going to talk about each of them one by one, and we're going to use diagrams to explain on each. So without wasting much of the time, let's start. So the first law, we are saying A union A complement is going to give you the universal set. Now that is very obvious. If this is the universal set, okay, not really drawn to scale, let's say this is A. Okay, A complement will be everything that is not in A. And if I'm going to shade A complement is that. Okay, then we're trying to unite it with A, and our A is this thing that is in the bracket. And when you're finding the union, you're combining everything that you have. Therefore, when you combine everything, we're just going to get the universal set. So that's how we solve the first one. Now the second one that you're supposed to understand is that if you've got A intersection A complement, what are you going to have? If this is our Venn diagram, this is our A and D. Let's say, okay, this is just A. Now the question will be, if that is A, allow me to write it, the A inside, then A complement will be everything that is outside. So this is A complement. And our A, allow me to shade it in a different color. Now what is common, or what is found in A complement and in A? You're able to see that there is nothing. Okay, so because of that, our answer is going to be an empty set. Okay, you can denote it like that, or just use curly brackets without anything inside the brackets. So that's how you're going to solve that. Okay, then what if you've got A, then A complement, then you have a complement outside. So a complement of a complement, they are going to cancel. You're just going to remain with A. Okay, how is it? Let's say this is our Venn diagram. This is A. A complement will be everything that is outside. This is our A complement, everything that is outside A. But now there is also a complement, meaning a complement of everything that is outside A. It will get back again to A. You are going to realize that what will not be found in A complement, which is with the shaded area in red, it is just going to be our A in the middle. Okay, that's why a complement of a complement will always give you what depends with what you're finding. In this case, you're just going to get A. What if now you have, let's say, the complement of a universal set? What is the complement of the universe? What is not found in the universe? That's the question. If this is a universal set, what is not found in the universal set? So you know that everything that is not found in the universe, like this part, there is nothing, right? Okay, so in this case, the complement of the universal set is what? It is an empty set. The last law that you're supposed to understand is, what if you've got the complement of an empty set? What are you going to have? The complement of an empty set. Okay, from our previous scenario, we said this is the universal set, this is nothing. Okay, if this is nothing, let's say this is Q. Q complement will be everything that is not in Q. Okay, in this case it will be what is inside here. Therefore Q complement will just give us the universal set. So this is how you are going to show your complement laws.